Wanna see the light.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephany Rene here, and today I'm gonna do something a little bit different and something I haven't done in quite a little bit. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look, and today's look is going to be a springy, like kind of bright with a pop of color. So if that's something you guys would like to see, then please go ahead and keep watching, and also go ahead and subscribe down below right here, and let's just go ahead get into it. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my primer, and I'm going to be going in with the Dewy Luminous Wet n Wild primer. You guys saw this in my vacay get ready with me video. I really love this primer. It's just got a nice shiny finish to it without it making you look super shiny, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. So now that that's on my face, you guys can see it does add a little bit of a sheen to your face, which is actually really nice underneath your foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible. I really like these. I am wanting to get the glowy one, so there may be a makeup haul coming out on my channel pretty soon, because I've just been itching to go to the drugstore and find some new drugstore product, and I am in the shade 101 Classic Ivory because I'm a ghost. So now that my foundation is all blended in and I'm looking really ghostly, and don't worry about this little guy right here. We will cover him up with concealer. Good old Mother Nature has come to visit, so got a lovely little breakout. I am going to be taking my same old, you guys are probably sick of me talking about it at this point, my e.l.f. concealer. I'm going to be using this underneath my eyes today because this has just got such a beautiful finish to it. So I'm just going to go in underneath my eyes and cover up this bad boy right here. Now that that is all blended out, I'm going to go in as always with my Fit Me powder and just kind of lightly, I guess, bake my under eye. And you guys, please let me know if there's any new drugstore makeup you want me to test out, or if there's just anything new at the drugstore in general, because I'm always looking for new stuff, and I've kind of used the same things for over a year now, and I'm just kind of ready to try some new products. So if you guys have anything you would recommend, let a girl know down below in the comment section. So now that we are all powdered down so that way nothing moves, I am going to go ahead and go in and bronze my face, just because that's the order that I like to do everything. I like to go ahead and get my face completely done and then go in and do my eyes. So I'm just going to quickly bronze, contour, highlight, blush, all of that fun stuff really quick, and we're just going to kind of speed through it. Okay, so now that we are all bronzed and blushed and highlighted, I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. Shocker here, right? And I'm gonna create a smoky eye, I think, with a pop of color. Something really fun that you can actually wear, nothing too crazy that makes it kind of hard to actually wear out in real life everyday scenarios. So I'm gonna be going in with this palette, which I'm sure you guys all have seen. I'm pretty sure it's iconic at this point. So I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. Let me grab it. And also I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. And I also just realized when I zoomed the camera in that I forgot to do my little powder beard down here to carve out my cheekbones. So I did that really quick, but you guys all know how to do that. It's super easy. But I'm gonna go in with this third shade right here on the top and just buff this into my crease just to lay a nice base. After I have buffed that shade into the crease, I am going to deepen it up a little bit and go in with the shade. Let's try this shade. I haven't used this shade in a while, and I'm pretty sure it's just called Pukey or something weird like that, but we're going to go in with this orangey shade all the way over here on this side. So now that we've got these two shades down and we've got a little bit of a base laid, I'm going to go in with a slightly denser blending brush, and I'm going to go in, deepen it up with this shade up here, this fourth shade on the second row, and I'm going to use that and I'm going to deepen up my crease. So now that that's on my eye, I'm going to go in with that original blending brush that I used earlier, and this has got no product on it whatsoever anymore, and I'm just going to take it and just diffuse any harsh lines that I may have, just to make sure everything's looking blended. I don't know why I said it like that. Sorry, you guys. So the last little shade that I'm going to go in with on the top is going to be something a little bit deeper, just so we can make that like cat eye effect, you know? I think I'm going to go in with this kind of like cool tone chocolatey brown over here on the side. I think this would look pretty. We're going to take this on a denser, not angled brush, and I'm just going to place it right here on the outer and just kind of create more of a cat eye effect. Comes the fun part. I told you guys it's going to be a pop of color look, and it's definitely going to be a pop of color. And I am firstly going to lay down just a base underneath my eyes, and I'm going to do that third shade on the top again. Now that we've laid that neutral base down, it's time to go in with the color. I think I'm gonna go in with this really pretty royal blue on this palette. That's kind of what I'm feeling today. And I'm just gonna go in to this blue color and coat it all over this brush. And pick off the cat hair. Now I look a little bit crazy, but it's all part of the process. You just gotta keep going even though you look like literally a crazy person. I'm gonna take my big powder brush and I'm going to sweep off all of this fallout because there was quite a bit. And then any areas that I want to like sharpen up lines or where the blue may have stained, I'm gonna go back in with my powder on my wet beauty blender. And I'm just gonna press that into my skin to hide the imperfections. Now that I'm looking very crazy, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and I'm also gonna apply mascara on my top lashes and curl them as well. Alright, so now that my brows and my mascara is done just on the top lashes, I did go in and add a little highlight to my brow bone and to my inner tear duct just to make things a little bit lighter and pop a little bit more. But I'm gonna brush away this powdered beard because then the only thing we have left to do is mascara on the bottom lashes and pick a lip. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look. All I did was go in and apply my Maybelline matte ink in the shade Seductress, as well as my Morphe setting spray that I always use. But yeah, as you can see, it's very wearable, but at the same time is a little different, a little funky, and a little pop of color. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up to let me know down below, and please subscribe and join my little fam here. I will see you guys on Friday's video, and peace out.